Hey, here's a real beauty. 500 horsepower Chevy 383. Just got done making about 530 horsepower, but what's more remarkable, made 547 foot-pounds of torque. That's a fantastic one motor. And that's all done by 5400. So again, this thing is a beast right down low. All beautiful pieces, AFR heads, Eagle rotating assembly. Got a nice March kit on here. Beautiful motor. Anything we can help you with? Build for you? Give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. What's my famous words? The proof is in the performance. Thank you. Got that thing idling nice and low.